Welcome to the Emerging Startup Series at the Coffee Con Show, powered by the Emerging India Forum TIF and a tech partner, Prime Infotech Solution. Theme is From Code to CEO, Vikas Sawant's AI-driven leadership journey. A visionary tech entrepreneur, founder and CEO of On Point Software Services, and a leader shaping the AI-powered future of business solutions. With 16 plus years of experience in software development, product management, and project delivery, Vikas has mastered the art of translating complex ideas into impactful market ready products. From helming high performing teams to bridging the gap between business goals and technical execution, his journey is a masterclass in innovation, agility, and strategic thinking. In this candid conversation, we explore the professional milestones, personal philosophies, and the lighter, lesser known side of Vikas. So, welcome Vikas to today's Navaratri special episode.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for the introduction, and thank you for inviting me to I saw your episodes and all the way you collect the knowledge, the way this platform help us to share our experience to the people because to the audience that helps a lot. So thank you very much for inviting.
Wow. So let me explain you because there will be three rounds: professional journey, personal, and a surprise rapid fire round where you're in the hot seat. And
Mhm.
here's your book, AI in Corporate Workforce.
Yes.
So let's begin. Filling the line, Amir Virani, host at Coffee Con Legal Evangelist at Prime Infotech Solution, author of 15 books. So my first question, Vikas, how
Yes.
has the journey shaped up and what were the key defining moments you had?
Yes, so I started my journey as a web developer. As a developer, then I moved to the mobile app development. And I would like to call one name here, who is my mentor, who moved me from as a technical expertise as well to the management, Kedar Potnis. I worked with him almost for 10 years, where he trust on my capabilities, my expertise, and he asked me to do the management certifications where I did my product owner certifications and moved my career as a tech management or where I'm managing my team with Scrum and Kanban as well. And after that experience, I started building my own team where the on point start emerging, and that is how I build my company as well as my career.
Wow. So let's build up the conversation. So, because how do you approach the balance between delivering client expectations and pushing for breakthrough innovations?
When it comes to the software, it is very important that what we are building and for whom we are building that need to be understand, as well as what problem statement we are trying to deliver. In software, it is not about code only, it is about the design, it is about the interface, who is going to use that software, that application, the mobile app. So we focus on understanding the product, understanding the requirement. We interact with the clients, what they are trying to build. We did the design phase where we the client and even the expected users can play around the system, what is coming up and what are the benefits they are going to get through the system, and that builds client confidence like, hey, yes, this is working and I should go to this system. And if we discover there is an improvement or scope of improvement, we work on that. So the first phase, where I call that phase as an audit phase, product audit phase, where I work with the client, I ask questions, we run different surveys, we understand the requirement, and accordingly we build the solutions, which is deliverable solutions in first phase only, as a designs, UI UX mockups, and that helps my clients, and we saw that in the results.
Wow.
Yeah.
So let's come to your startup. What's the
Mhm.
story behind naming of On Point Software Services, and how has the experience been developing the product and the market taking to your product?
Yeah, yeah. So from beginning, when I entered into this career in this industry as a software developer, while I was working, I felt that I'm very fortunate enough that I can build a solutions which can change the world. I can build a system, and to start anything as a software engineer or in this industry, I just need my brain, need my skills. I don't have to invest in any machineries and kind of spaces and all. I just need a laptop. I need a right people who can help me to build what I'm looking for. And that is where it start. I started communicating with my colleagues, hey guys, can we build something? Because we are, and we have a great opportunity to build something out of the box. We can work, but this is where we should learn and build something for ourselves. And that is how I started building my team, where I started connecting with my seniors, my contacts, that hey guys, I started building my team, and I'm going to deliver mobile apps, I'm going to deliver web applications, and you can trust me that we are always on point. So my name suggests itself that we are focused techies, we are always on point, and we will make sure that we will deliver the best quality version of any requirement. Yeah,
Wow.
that's how
So,
it's.
because between product launches, market strategy, and technical architecture,
Mhm.
which part excites you the most and why?
Of course, product launch is exciting stuff for any product, but when it comes to the uh, technical architect, and when it comes to the requirement gathering or product or market strategies, that matters a lot. That is where we focus first on market strategies, whether this product is right fit for the market, to whom we are focusing on. And when it comes to the tech architect or technology planning, how are we going to scale this product? What is the future after 5 years, where we are looking the future of this product, and accordingly we plan it so that launch may happen, but when it comes to the scaling it, we don't want to rework again. So how we can plan our technologies where we can skip the rework, where we can reusable our components, so we can save money for the development, and even in future value addition to the product. So that thought help us to design a right product, in a right industry fit product, where we look to the product from marketing strategy to technical analysis, tech architect, and then go for product launch. So yes, everything is important, but yes, always product launch is exciting for
Wow.
any company.
So, Vikas, as a CEO, what's your formula for keeping teams innovative yet grounded?
Yes, even as a CEO or even as a project management manager or in my past experience, I believe in human beings. So I am working with humans. I'm not working with machines. So if you trust them, if you boost them, if they will get to know that this person is help me to grow, then they are gonna discover their skills. They are gonna help themselves to improve their skills. Even now in my company, we always have scale up program. We always set up a scale up program from every individual. Even I sit with that person, I saw what technology, what skills he's already has, and in scale up how he can scale. It is not about after learning new things whether he is gonna with us or he's gonna leave us and can go for better opportunities. But when I shown that trust on my resources, there is nothing gonna happen. So this is how I see that every individual, when you help them to grow, they will help me and my company to grow as well. So that's the formula.
Wow. So, because you've worked in both startups and established companies, how do
Mhm.
leadership styles differ between the two worlds?
Startups is like everybody is exciting to do new every day. There are different challenges every day. So it is like speed and quality all together. It is like right now we are delivering one project which is for our US client in medical science industry, where we have 50,000 plus students onboarded, but we have CI/CD pipeline in a place where every alternate day we have a build over there. So we deliver builds every alternate day. But when it comes to the big industries or big companies, it is like 2 week sprint. Nobody can ask in between that. So there are processes. Those are good. I'm not talking about that. Those are good as well. So in my company, we are making combination of both. How we can have Scrum and Kanban together so that we can achieve quality, which we can achieve speed, and we can deliver what client is looking for. So yes, that's what I had an experience.
Wow. So you're also a certified Scrum product owner.
Mhm.
Uh, so how has Agile shaped the way you build products?
Yes, I'm certified product Scrum product owner. So yes, Agile was the methodology before where we were doing the SDLC cycle all together in a week. But we discovered that while working in Agile, only Agile may not gonna help in every project. So can we have combination of Agile and Kanban together so that we can perform that SDLC cycle altogether as well as Kanban to deliver what client is looking for. So yes, I prefer to go with Scrum and Kanban together. So client is happy. Team also make sure that we have to perform and execute everything on given time. So yes, that's my experience.
Wow. So because AI is a buzzword, but you have built AI first solution. What's one myth about AI you wish to debunk?
Yeah, nowadays it's everywhere. Everyone is talking about AI, 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 and everyone has some fear as well. Even what I sense in my industry, who has 10 plus years of experience, there is a fear whether this AI gonna replace us, whether AI gonna replace human. Yes, I'm sure it is going to replace a human who is not agile enough to understand this technology, who is not agile enough to adapt this technology, and who is not ready to change themselves or learn new things. And it is very important that because having an experience like 10 plus or something like that, you already have a different approach and experience altogether to provide a solution by using AI. AI is not a magic. AI need human brains to find the problems and build solution around it. So it is like AI. Absolutely, you need to be very agile to understand how we can build ourselves, how AI works and all. But at the same time, yes, you can't ignore AI. You have to be on your toes and you have to be learn what is happening around yourself.
Wow.
Yes.
So because
Mhm.
what's a mistake you made in your different business which over the years, and what are the lessons you learned, and how did you navigate those mistakes?
Yes, so I would like to say here every business person, the leader, should know or should learn to say no. Because initially when we start any business, we just say okay, yes, I will do that, yes, will let me check, will do that, even that is not under our scope. But to get the business, to keep our client happy, we say yes to everyone, everything. I would like to say that was my mistake, but I corrected those nowadays. So even whenever there is any request, I would like to build something like this, I clearly say, yes, we can. So instead of saying no, yes, we can, but we will have this phase that take audit phase, design phase, where we will analyze your requirement and that phase has that budget. And I discovered that that helps a lot as a
Wow.
company to us, where we talk with our client, we say this is what we are going to do, and this is how it is going to help you. So yes, I learned that. So it is not required to say yes to get a business. You should say no, but in different way. Yeah.
Yes. So, Vikas, how do you see AI transforming the Indian and global tech landscape over the next decade?
Yes, it is transforming. I would like to say in programming, like before an year, when I was using no code, low code, or 2 years before when I was using low code, no code text technology, I felt that no, this is not gonna work. It is like there is unwanted code, there is duplicate code. But when I saw the code agents, which is by using AI, and the way it writes a code in our industry, it is we can say a drastic innovation, and which is gonna replace, who is not gonna use that. So yes, globally and even in India, AI gonna start. It is difficult to implement AI and get the result as compared to the global in India, because we don't have digital environment or the structure altogether, where nowadays we are trying to work with health department, Maharashtra health department, where when we saw that there is no data, no enough data where we can utilize our data models, AI models, to perform any kind of analysis. So first step we have to perform in India, like we supposed to be digitally evolve, where we start collecting data digitally so that we can train our AI models and get benefits from them. In
Wow.
global, it is affecting. It is making a lot of change.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, my last question for your professional journey round: what
Mhm.
advice would you give to tech startup founders who want to develop AI solutions for Indian market?
Uh, don't I would like to say, don't run behind AI solutions. First, try to everybody, every client is gonna ask you, hey, I'm looking for AI solutions. First, we have to discover whether they have enough data to build AI
Mhm.
solutions. And you and every individual critically say yes or a no based on what we have. So showing that dream, like yes, we can build an AI solution, and false commitment is, I say, a not good approach. So first we should build digitally capable environment to collect data, and then we can train data and we can build AI solutions to them. So let's not run behind this AI buzzword. Let's work on our team, work on our skills, and then, because it's a, I can say it's a like everywhere there is a kind of balloon. Okay, everyone is trying to provide a solution, build a solution around AI only, but that is not the case. We should understand the main case and scenario behind it. Yeah.
Wow. So, let's go to the next round and understand Vikas as a person. Tell us about your family and your formative years.
I'm from a village like close to Kolhapur. So I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. My family background is, we can say, my father is farmer who's staying in a rural area, or in working as a wireman in MSCB. So they trust on education, and I don't have any option, that I have to learn and I have to get a job. So that's what the only vision when I was learning. But only key point I always keep with myself, that is, be with nice people, surrounded with nice people, because you are gonna be when whoever is around you. So that's the formula I followed, and I can say everybody's supposed to do that as well. See who is
Wow.
around you.
Wow.
Yes.
So, because you've lived and worked in different cities,
Mhm.
which city place feels most like home to you and why?
Yes, absolutely, Kolhapur. Because we have a great local talent, I can say. I had a candidate who were not able to speak in English, but the way he write a code, which even MNC senior can't do that. And the best part is home to office maximum 10 minutes in Kolhapur. So you can avoid that traveling issues and all. And you can have a quality family time over here. So my purpose to build On Point in Kolhapur is all about how I can build this in my local, and I can utilize the local talent, and I can show the world, hey, we can also build a top-notch softwares and top-notch systems, like that. Yes.
Wow. So, let's go to your days at Shivaji University. What are your memories and experience from there?
Oh, Shivaji University, that was the best time in my life, I can say. I was there in hostel, so I enjoyed my hostel time over there. And that is, I can say, surrounded with different department students. Few works for MPSC, few works for law, and it helps me like how there are different challenges for everyone's. And my department, computer science department in Shivaji University, was good. We were exploring a lot of things. Yeah, that was, and the memorable step about Shivaji University is the environment and the hostel life, I'd say. Yes.
Wow. So, if your friends had to describe you in three words, what would they say?
Three words.
Yes, your friends.
My friends, sorry, I missed your question. Say it.
If your friends had to describe you in three words, what would they say?
Oh, they will say it's a fitness guy who's always go for gym and all. Fitness, traveler, and I can say believer. Yeah.
Wow. So, which is your hobby or interest which helps you to unwind, recharge over the weekend?
To play with my kids. I every Sunday I plan, because I believe that whoever I am, whatever I'm doing, fitness is the key behind it. It gives me a strength to. So I do follow. I do workouts. I do cycling, running, a lot of fitness activities, and my kids follow me as well. So every Sunday I go with them for running, cycling, and I spend a quality time with them. And farming nowadays, I am as my another business, the jackfruit farm stay. That is where we go and we work in farm as well. So that's how the weekend, I can say.
Wow. So, tell us more about that apna, your homestay.
Oh, homestay, that journey is amazing, because from beginning I was looking for a place where I can go and I can have a quality time with my friends, my family. And that is where I discovered this place with my friend. We two running this business all together, and it's surrounded by forest. The best place, you can say, close to Gaganbauda on the way to Goa, where we have a family over there. We have different cottages where you can go stay, and you can enjoy the real rural life. And we built there, like you can't get that kind of commercial expense over there. You will get the real food. You can play with trees. You can have a quality time. Let your kids understand how the farming happens and all. So we try to maintain our culture over there. We try to showcase who we are. as a farmers, and how we build the stuff like that.
Wow. So, which is a book or movie which has left a lasting impact on you?
Uh, Movie is Pursuit of Happiness. Okay,
Mhm.
where I discovered that you don't give up. Just you need to focus and work hard. You will get the success. I love that movie. Whenever I saw that movie, I just love it. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So, my last one is a googly one. Describe Vikas in one line.
The coder, the innovator, and the fitness enthusiastic who always looking to build something.
Wow. Okay. I'll make you a tour guide since you're from Kolhapur. What are
Mhm.
the places to visit and food to have?
Oh, if you are visiting Kolhapur, you should visit Rankala for awesome lake view. You should visit Pannala, which is near to Kolhapur. Kolhapur is a place where we can say we are the luckiest people, where everything close to us. We are centralized. If you go down, you can go to the Goa and Malvan and Konkan like that. If you go this side, it is Bangalore this side, Satara this side. So we are luckiest people. And as I say, in Kolhapur, yes, Rankala, Pannala, then Mahalakshmi Mandir, where you can visit and you can pray the God. And food is like Kolhapur is famous for misal. That is number one. And number two is non-veg curry, where there are two types of curry, red and white. But in our language we call it as tambada pandra. And that's a famous. I mean to say you can't get that taste anywhere else. So yes,
Wow.
if you are visiting Kolhapur, if you are vegetarian, then you can try misal and all. But if you are non-vegetarian, this is the place where you can enjoy red and white curry, tamda pandra, and nice food, tasty food.
Wow. Beautiful. So, let's put in the hot seat, the rapid fire round. Your
Mhm.
favorite color,
Blue,
your go to comfort food.
home cooked food, I can say bhakri, bhaji, and varan bhat. Yeah,
Wow. AI or human intuition,
human intuition.
coding or strategy meeting.
Actually, both, but I prefer strategy meeting and then go for coding. That helps.
Yeah. One word that describes your leadership style.
Leadership style,
Yeah. One word.
trust your team.
Wow. Best piece of advice received.
Um, Always spend time with family as well.
Wow. Your dream travel place.
I would like to visit villages in India. There are a lot of places and explore the culture over there. That's what my wish is.
Wow. Okay. So, best Kolhapuri sweet dish.
Sweet dish in Kolhapur. There is a village close to Kolhapur. There is Nandani as a village. You can get a kind of burfi over there. That is one of the best quality burfi. Otherwise, yeah, that's the best sweet dish.
Wow. Tea or coffee to recharge.
Coffee.
You're the coffee shell.
Yes, yes, same here.
And you did well and use a book which will be autographed and sent to you.
Okay.
So, from navigating the fast paced world of AI to nurturing teams that deliver world class solutions, your journey is a powerful reminder that innovation isn't just about technology, it's about people, purpose, and persistence. His story bridges the worlds of code and commerce, proving that leadership in the digital age demands both vision and adaptability. Whether you're an aspiring startup founder, a seasoned techie, or simply someone fascinated by the intersection of business and technology, this conversation is bound to leave you inspired and eager to create your own impact. So, and uh, his homestay details will be there in the YouTube captions. So visit what do you say, the homestay, spend time in nature,
Yeah.
and continue the conversation after you watch the coffee conversation, build up the conversation and share in the comment section. So I like that the fire and coffee speakers who have shared their professional personal journey, subscribe, implement in your lives, and you will be see change in your life. And we continue a conversation with another speaker over a cup of coffee. So take care. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for your time.